Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about how powerful is Coyote. And before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you can receive updates on my videos when it's uploaded and also if my channel grows. Now coyotes are big and they are powerful. They usually hunt, they come into the human territories and they are really good in hunting. Now they looks like a dog, but they're definitely not dog. They are a distant relative. They are a species from the same family of the dogs, but they are not dogs, and they are much powerful than the stray dog that you see. Coyotes comes into human territories and hunt different kind of things. Like there can be small animals, including rats, rodents. There can be relatively bigger animals like cats, and there can also be dogs. Now, coyotes actually attack in groups, so that's why they get this benefit of numbers when it comes to fighting. But by itself, they are not extremely strong, but they are powerful enough to overpower a single stray dog. A single coyote can fight against a single stray dog easily. It won't be really be a big problem. However, they cannot fight against bigger animals like a German Shepherd or like this kind of dogs because they are much powerful. A single coyote cannot take them on, but a couple of coyotes coming around and attacking at the same time can also take down bigger dogs. So if there are a lot of coyotes in your areas and you are keeping the guard dogs in that place, make sure to have a couple of dogs, not just one, because if there is only one dog, they can be easily killed by a coyote, and because of that you make sure at least there are bigger dogs and all of at least 5 to 6 of them, and that can overpower almost all of the groups of coyotes. Now in general the coyotes attack in a number of 4 or 3. They don't really bring in like 10 or 20 coyotes. They don't attack in such numbers. They are usually spotted with around 3 to 4 coyotes in a single group. They form a pack and then they attack, and that really works out for them really well. But if a 3 to 4 coyotes come across around a dog, at least 3 to 4 dogs, bigger dogs, then they won't be able to fight back and they will be forced to leave the place. So if you are keeping dogs as a guard, make sure there are a couple of them over there. Now when it comes to cat, it has been reported many times and there are a lot of videos out there also from where you can find that the coyotes are actually seen to attack the cats, and usually they are successful in them. Cats are really fast and they can climb really high fast, and it's quite difficult for even for the dogs or other animals to catch a cat. But coyotes attack, they do it in a such a way that the cats are not able to escape and usually get caught with the coyotes. Coyotes are also known to actually attack smaller animals, so that can also be like if you have babies and if you have kids running around, they can also attack them. And it's not something that we taken lightly because they are predators and they are actually habituated with this kind of attacks, and they come into human trade to a sneak attack, and they usually do it in the night, but sometimes they can do it in the morning also if there are not a lot of people in the place, and that can be really fatal. And they can also attack adult humans. It's not much of a big deal, but they may not always be successful, but an attack from them can be lethal if they are doing a surprise attack. But they don't attack head on, they will attack from the side or from the back when you are not aware. So if there are a lot of coyotes in a place, make sure to not go there by yourself and actually ask the authority to take care of the coyotes. Now, when it comes to strength, coyotes, are, like I mentioned before, are not much powerful by themselves. They are much powerful than stray dogs, but not as powerful as German Shepherd, and they cannot fight against wolf also. But since they attack in numbers, this strength actually increases manifold because of the tactics and because they are intelligent and because of their certain amount of strength which is much higher than the humans, of course, they can take down even bigger prey if they are not aware. They are not going to fight against a pack of wolves or a lion because that's too risky for them. They can easily take down the coyotes, but we humans or even smaller animals doesn't stand a chance against a pack of coyotes because they usually attack in around small numbers, but the number is more than enough to overpower most of us. So that's why make sure to stay away from them. And as coyotes don't completely rely on the strength, it's all about the strategy and the intelligence that they use to capture a prey. You can adjust the strategy according to the need because of the situation. If there are smaller animal that runs around a lot, they will use the strategy to make the small prey go near the other coyotes and then they will attack at the same time, or they can do formulate a different kind of strategy that will allow them to trap the small animal in a particular place and then capture them. There will be no place to run, they will capture them. So they are quite intelligent and they change their plans according to the need. So underestimating them is also a big problem. So you cannot do that. You cannot underestimate a coyote thinking that is an animal. They are quite intelligent in that perspective. They are really good hunters and but they are not the strongest one, of course. So they live in small packs and they attack in small packs. And but in many places it has been seen that the coyotes are really problematic because they tend to attack and do a lot of damage. I mean, they uh, attack kids, they attack small animals, and people lose their pets more often to coyotes. So in those kind of places, it's necessary to call some control service who are really expert in this kind of field, which will really get rid of these coyotes and keep them away from the human locality. So I hope this video answered your question, and if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. I'm putting 2 videos every single week. There is on Monday and Friday. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Thank you.